Hi, hopefully you are doing a great. So I want to share a, booking appointment feature through this video. I have implemented a booking appointment feature on this website, and most of the website I have implemented, and my clients are happy, and they are boost their business through this feature. So I also want to implement this feature on your website if you are interested, right? For example, when I click on the book now button, they will open a pop-up screen, so you can check its UI is great, and when your customer will open for booking, the user experience will also will be great, and they can easily manage and arrange an appointment with you, right? And it will be helpful for boost your business. For example, I have selected a date like 25, and after that I have select a time 3 a.m. for example, and here is the basic information. A user will provide their own detail, and I am just putting an a dummy text, here is also I am enter a dummy text, but user will enter according to their appointment, right? uh, I just add a dummy text, and when I click on schedule appointment, yeah, we have schedule and schedule appointment. So after the schedule we will receive an email. There will also receive an email. We have received an email, and we can make a yes, and we can also include in the Google Calendar, right? And when we add to the Google Calendar, they will remind to the customer before the appointment, right? So it's a good feature. After this demo, I also want to share another example on this website. On previous website, I have added on the right bottom corner, and when we scroll down and up, the button will be display on the bottom right. I have fixed this position. It's a good feature, but if you want to display on the header section or another section, you can also let me know. I can implement there. For example, on header I have also implemented this feature, right? We can also schedule from here. Yeah, we can manage from here. Yeah, here I have also added this information in previous example. So we will manage from this button as well. And yeah, if do you want to implement this feature on your contact page or another page, so I will make this UI for on this page, and it's also a good way to make an appointment. So you should implement this feature on your website. If you are interested, please let me know. Thank you. Bye.